Hey, this is your Hollywood Maintenance again. I just wanted to make a quick video, another short. Yeah, I'm at that VRF system again. I want to show you guys a little trick that I learned recently because I keep reading on the system and asking people that know about it from time to time. Usually when you're using that mobile viewer remote thing on the condensing units upstairs, which I highly suggest you did get, you can't tell whose address is whose up there, just has a bunch of random numbers. So I want to show you how to make it a little bit better. What you do is you press and hold the settings button, this sprocket looking thing. Press and hold till it blinks. See, now it's on that. Now what you do again is you press the sprocket once like this after it blinks, then it goes to the next. This is the address. You can only put 2 numbers in, but each condensing unit is a certain floor or certain hallway. So all I have to do, because this is apartment 414, for example, I'm just gonna hit 14. So I pressed up here 1, and then I screwed it over with this arrow. Then it'll start blinking on this side. So hit up till I hit 14. Then you hit OK. Then it will stop blinking, and then you hit escape. Now, when we're up on the rooftop using the mobile viewer remote thing, it will show 14 and we know exactly who's having the issue. Once again, you can double check it, press and hold this settings button so it starts blinking. Press it once. See, now it's showing 14 again. So it was done correctly. I'm hitting OK, escape, and just thought I'd make that quick short. So this way when using your mobile viewer remote, you'll know which apartment's actually having some issues without trying to come down to each one and resetting everybody's. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful.